Hello, evening. Uh, Today I show you how to change this battery for the Mercedes GL450, the model 2013 to 2016, the same model. This one you buy in the eBay or Amazon, so cheaper, around 45 bucks to 60 bucks. Okay, depend the seller they sell. Okay. Let's go. I show you what location in the video. Okay. Open the junk. Sorry, I work the daytime, the nighttime I have time to I show you guys. Okay. Okay. Location this side right here. Okay. I'll show you the what the tool. Uh, Super easy. The tool you need this one and the socket the 10 meter. Okay. And you need attention also too. Okay. Okay, you need let it here. You lift it one up. Okay, one and another one right here. Okay, pull up. Okay, and then you move that. You see that? You see the battery? Okay, sorry, so dark. Okay, you see? Okay, I love for you. See right there. Okay, okay. You get it? The ball right here. Sorry, I moved the car. See? Okay, and then you set up. Before you set up, you set the white first. Okay, the red white and the round one. Okay, and then when you set up, and you get the new one put on. Super easy, right? Vehicle. Okay,